Good evening, GX brothers and sisters, whom I also refer to as a bunch of numbnuts. Welcome back to the GX460 channel. Today, we are going to tackle window calibration. What is window calibration, you might ask? Good thing you asked. Let me show you what's going on. Have you ever rolled up your windows only for it to do this? What just happened right there? Well, folks, let me tell you what just happened. Lexus window regulator and limit switch work together to ensure that your children's head doesn't get decapitated by accident or because of a system malfunction. But what happens if there is nothing in the way, nothing is stopping that window, nothing is between that glass and the frame, but the window still goes to the top and comes back down? How can we fix that issue, guys? Well, first, we're going to rule out restriction. In order to do that, we're going to ensure that these window sills right here that ride on these rails up and down your window frames are clear of obstruction. So let's go ahead and clean these rails up really quick, and we're going to do it one more time. First, I want you guys to grab a plastic trim tool just like this. Grab a towel, and you're going to get a can of silicone spray. Link will be at the bottom if you guys can't find this at your local Walmart or whatever. What we're going to do is we are going to first take the plastic trim tool, cover it with our towel right here, and we're going to go up and down these seams right here to ensure that there is no obstruction. Something may have got caught in there, a rock flew in here, or whatever flew in here. Okay, we're going to clean out that channel. We're going to do the exact same thing for the front channels right here. Go up and down, make sure there's no obstruction, nothing blocking its passage. Okay. Next, we are going to take a different part of the towel, move it over. Okay. We're going to take our silicone spray, we're going to spray it into this seam right here. We're going to take our towel with our plastic trim tool, and we're going to go up and down this rail. We're going to do the same thing for the front. We're going to move this to a new section of the towel, a clean part, and we're going to do this exact same thing. Silicone spray this channel right here. We're going to go up and down. Lube it really nice, and when you're done, I want you guys to go ahead and clean off the excess off of your paint, off of your vinyl panels, okay, any of the surrounding areas. Clean it off really good. We only want that silicone spray to be inside the channels, okay guys? After you guys cleaned up the silicone excess really good, I want you guys to go ahead and roll up your windows. Okay, as you guys can see, the problem did not go away. So, solution number 2, and this is those of you that have replaced the glass with brand new glass because somebody smashed your window or whatever and you decided to put in brand new windows. Just remember that even if you are slightly off when installing it onto your window regulators and your window frames inside there and that scissor lift inside of there, even if you're a little bit off, you are going to get some friction along these rails, and it's not going to go perfectly up. You're not going to get it 100% perfect like you when it came out of the manufacturer, okay? It's going to be a little off, so what you're going to need to do is have the system relearn the brand new window, and this is how you do it. I want you to go ahead and go to your car battery and remove the negative terminal. Take it off. Remove it completely. After you remove the negative clamps, go ahead and just wait about 30 minutes. Use this valuable time to go watch an exciting episode on Netflix or something. Go in there and beat your dog to death or something.
24 hours later.
Hi, has it been 30 minutes yet? Let's go ahead and put back our negative terminal back onto our battery. Now let's go ahead and go to our window switch. Go ahead and start your vehicle. After you start your vehicles, let's go ahead and go to our master window switch. I want you to go ahead and hold down the window until it goes all the way down. When it goes all the way down, I want you to hold it for an additional 5 seconds. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Let it go. Now we're gonna roll the windows up. After it has rolled all the way up until it makes a complete stop, count to 5. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Go ahead and let go. And now at this point, we can go ahead and roll down the windows. Okay. Perfect. Now let's go ahead and roll up the windows and see if it stops and comes back down. The system has relearned itself. So now you have perfect travel between the top and the bottom. But when we're done, we're going to add one more safety precaution. We are going to test the limiter to make sure it hasn't failed on us after we have recalibrated the system, okay? So we are going to put something in that window to see if it will stop and go back down. So let's go ahead and find something in the vehicle. I'll put something right in here. Sorry, buddy. There you go. The safety mechanism still works. Okay guys, hope you guys enjoyed that video. If you guys haven't already done so, why don't you guys go ahead and test that safety mechanism on each window, just in case, you never know. The last thing you guys want to do is accidentally decapitating your children. That's never a good thing. You'll probably go to jail and be bunked up with a guy named Bubba, speaking from experience, okay? But if your dog just happens to put his head out the window and gets his head chopped off, it's okay. You just go to the dog pound and get another dog. They are disposable, okay? Enjoy, guys. Peace, peace.